So this is my website. I'm reading option call is robot.txt file. What do you mean by robot.txt file? Why we can using for robot.txt file? If search engine allow your website or disallow your website, a total website in a particular one link or particular one image for allow for search engine means they approve or disapprove. That is called we can using for robot.txt file. In a particular link can block for search engine, we can using for robot.txt file. If you using for allow the total links, the option called using for robot.txt file. So that is called we can give by syntax here. The things syntax will be allow for your site. Total dependent by your sitemap.xml. If you stop your any URL, particular URL, see this one. Here we can stop the particular URL. First option. Second option, we can stop the particular image. Next one, we can stop the particular folder. How many things? Particular link or particular image and particular image folder, any folders. If you stop by search engine means disapprove your search engine, approved by search engine. Two condition. One is allow, second will be disallow. So after creating for robot.txt, how to apply for your website? First of all, select your site. In this, paste. Now click for save. For is approve or not approve purpose. Check here. Any WordPress website, any PHP, any HTML website that using for cPanel. In the option call is file manager. We go option call is public underscore HTML. Before setup robot.txt file, it will available for my site or not. We can check first. Go to after.com/robots.txt for testing purpose. If anybody asking for testing purpose, what is there here? CJ bin some 13 premiumcap.com.au is there. It's not in my site. Not in my site. Is a other site. Now just click here. The option call is click for upload. Select file. So select the particular documentation. For replace this, click for yes. Now you can refresh here. Update. You are updated. This follow updated. After that, remove this. Save. Upload. Now just refresh. Done. I'm allow the total my website based on the sitemap.xml. So total robot.txt file is applicable by the sitemap.xml. Sitemap.xml purpose of your total links will be included by where? Sitemap.xml. So if you any URLs, any images, any image folder purpose, you can using for robot.txt option. If anybody asking interview question, how to block my URL on search engine? Simple option call is disallow. The option call is robot.txt file. Once approved, it will check purpose. The syntax is called mydomain.com/robots.txt. My domain nothing but your domain name .com/robot.txt. Please note down this syntax for checking for robot will be active or not active. mydomain.com/robots. Don't writing any spelling mistake. ROBOTS.txt. text file.